It is very cold. Today is very cold, no 5 grad. At sunshine, but cold. Only 5 grad, guys. It's winter na. It's September, the end of autumn. May earthworm mo. Earthworm. This earthworm don't kill. Because, ito, pampalambot ng lupa ito sa tanim mo. Kaya, alagain natin ito siya. Makakatulong yun yung earthworm. Ayan. Gumawa tayo dito ng fertilizer. Organic fertilizer. And then next year, you have already good soil for your plants. You know, if you buy your fertilizer for the plants, is expensive. And then it's best you make your own fertilizer. It's organic and healthy. You know that, guys? If you buy always fertilizer, is expensive. You know, if you make fertilizer, all the your plus, lahat na basura yung gulay at saka fruits, vegetable and fruits, no? Basura yan, yung fresh pa ba, fresh, kapag balat ng fruits and vegetables, then you can make it fertilizer, dinger. And then if you make fertilizer, put here, samil mo dito, ipunin mo yan dito sa malaking container, tapos i-mix mo yung, lagyan mo ng lupa para madurog siya at maging fertilizer siya. So, ang gawin natin yan, after that, durugin. Next year. Look, na siya, bulok na siya. Oh. Make it that. Durugin mo. Then next year, soil, lagyan mo ng lupa. Ang lupa, magiging, mag-vitamin siya. Yung fruits and vegetables will become vitamin for this soil, and then the soil together of this fruits and vegetables, ayan, pag durog na, you can make it fertilizer for your plants in your garden. Ganda. Puno na, oh. You know that, guys, is already full. Sa isang taon kong this is almost 8 months I make it this. Yung iba nga buo pa, oh. Yung iba buo pa. Ano, mabubulok na sila. Mabubulok na yan, mag-fertilizer na ito. And then ito. Ito pala maliit. Apat na, guys, oh. Ayan, lauk natin, oh. Oh, for pansit. Sisbo. Pinabangon pa rin yung ating malamig na. That's why, oh, hindi na lumalaki. Ito, bunutin natin ito. Hindi na lumalaki ito, oh. Hindi na lumalaki. dito. May mga ano pa tayo. Sana na sila. Bumulok na. Bumulok na talaga. Sana. Bumulok na kayo. Kalabasa. Talbos ng kalabasa, guys. Ayan. Talbos ng kalabasa. Oh. Ayan. You can cook this. Talbos kalabasa. That's from the squash. The young leaves. Ayan. You can eat this too. You can put in the... You can cook vegetables this. Ito yung ating... nakapit natin ulaw. Tsaka ito pa. Nakaharvest pa tayo. Oh. We have still vegetables in the plants. Last harvest. Last harvest to. Last harvest. It was already winter. Ay na sila. Ay, nag-green, oh. Layo mamaya. Ang tayo dito. Kasi ng paglaba. Oh. forget to subscribe, like, and share. And hit that bell button for notification. Then for always updated all my videos coming. Thank you so much, guys. Wish you all have a nice day.